Here I have Vivo V11. Let me show you how to use here power saving mode on the following device. So if you would like to quickly enable power saving, let's use the down bar right here, and then let's swipe to the left, and here you can use the low power mode. Let me tap it right here, tap OK to confirm it, and you're just using the low power mode. Here you've got the orange color of your battery icon. So let's now use the down bar again, and let's disable low power mode, and here you can enter also the super saving mode, super saver right here. Let's tap it, let's tap OK to confirm the operation. As you can see, this is really restrictful mode, so the screen is really dark, and here you can only use a few apps such as clock, contacts, phone and messages. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose exit right here, tap OK to confirm it, and now you can use your device in a normal way. You can also use upper bar, and here you can hold down on low power mode for a few seconds. So here you can open the battery info and battery settings. Here you can switch between those modes as well, and you can, for example, read here the power consumption ranking, so it could be really useful to optimize your power consumption. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.